Hi, this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate. My name is Varinder and I am here to conduct the pre-IELTS speaking of candidate number 110896 and candidate name Pawan Kumar. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
What is your full name?
My name is Pawan Kumar.
How may I call you?
You may call me as Pawan.
Pawan, are you a student or a worker?
I am a student.
And what are you studying?
I am studying IELTS exam. Recently, I completed my plus 2 standard in art stream.
And what was your major?
I think in future I want to study in abroad, so I prepare IELTS.
What had the subjects you choose for your previous studies?
In my previous studies, I chose art stream, and in that stream I have history, computer, sociology, English, Hindi, and geography.
And which was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English because I have a lot of interest in that subject, and I also want to study in abroad, so English is necessary for me.
Okay, let's talk about clothes. What kind of clothes do you prefer to wear on daily basis?
I always prefer different type of clothes, such as which has better color. In some occasions, I wear different type of clothes, different colors, and in winters I wear woolen clothes.
From where do you normally buy your clothes?
I normally buy my clothes from near my market. In my hometown, a lot of markets are there where I purchase different type of clothes. In that clothes, I get a better discount.
Do you think these days people start forgetting their culture in terms of selecting clothes?
Yes, at present most people are forget their culture because at present people follow modern culture and they left their previous culture. They purchase different type of clothes and they do not purchase traditional clothes.
Do people wear different clothes on the different occasion?
Yes, people wear different clothes on different occasions because different occasions have their own necessary. Different occasions have their own importance, so people wear different clothes on occasions.
How do you decide your clothes?
I decide my clothes with days according to days. In summers I wear colorful clothes and in winter I wear dark clothes which are made by wool.
Do you wear ready-made garments or the garments which prepare on order?
I wear ready-made garments because it's much cheaper as compared to others and I buy it easily in markets.
What do you like to do on the weekends?
I always on weekends I always play different type of games at my home on my mobile phones, and I also spend my time with my friends and family.
Do you think weekends become popular among the youngsters?
Yes, youngsters are affected. Youngsters has a lot of interest in weekends because youngsters mostly spend their time with friends on weekends and they also spend their time with their family.
Is your weekends long enough?
Repeat again.
Is your weekend long enough?
No, weekends are not long because people spend because in normal days people feel a lot of tiredness and they want to spend time in the weekends.
Should employees need to work on weekends?
No, employees do not want to do work on weekends because they are feel tiredness in all days, so they want a holiday on weekends.
What you was doing last weekend?
Last weekend I went with my family in a trip on Amritsar. In that place we enjoyed a lot.
Any plans for the upcoming weekend?
Yes, in upcoming weekends I want to go with my friends in a resort and I want to enjoy a lot with my friends.
What kind of activities do you like to do on the weekends?
On weekends I do different type of activities such as sports games with my friends. I always play football, hockey and cricket with my friends on weekends.
Do you like science?
No, I do not like science because I have least interest in that stream.
Did you enjoy learning science in primary or high school?
I enjoyed learning science in my 5th standard, but I do not have interest in my higher education because in my high education I have least interest in that category, so I prefer it in my childhood.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Some people believe it's important and some think it's not important because some people want to do job in near future, a scientist, and some don't want to do job.
What kind of science did you learn at school?
At school, I always learn about Earth, planets, and plants.
Okay, so this is the end of section 1. Now we move to the section 2, which will be your cue card round. I will give you one topic and 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. If you want to make your notes, then you can use the notepad. So your topic is number 3. Yes, please.
In my student life, I do a lot of works with my friends and team members. Here I would like to talk about a work which I recently done with my teammates. Recently last week, I made a craft. I did craft work with my teammates, which are my friends who are studied with me in my 10th standard. We all are made a home with wood. Firstly, we all are want to do work with our friends. So my school teachers organize a competition in my school. In that competition, we participated with my team. My friends have a lot of interest in craft works, and they also know about how to do craft activities. And so in that circumstances, we all make a home with the help of wood. When we make that wood home, then my teachers was so much happy because we are first who made that type of craft activities in a team. In that competition, we got second position.
Okay, sufficient. Can I get my book back, please? Thank you. So this is the end of section 2. Now we move to the section 3, which will be your follow-up round. I will put you some more questions related to team activities. Are team activities popular in the community around you?
Yes, teamworks are popular in community. because when people do teamwork in community, then they have better results in their works, and people in my nation, people also recommend teamwork.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
When we work in a team, then we learn a lot of things, such as firstly we get the feeling of friendship, and we know how to trust on others. So that type of things I do.
Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
Yes, team leaders are important in a team because team leaders decided so many works how to do activities.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Companies practice team activities because when companies do work in a team, then they have better results as compared to do work alone. So companies prefer work in a team.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
Repeat it.
Do you think employees are motivated better by team activities than doing it themselves?
I think mostly team members are motivated by teamwork because when they do work in a team, then they get better knowledge about their works, and when they do know, then they have least interest in activities.
Why do you think sports teams perform so well?
Sports team play so much better as compared to others because sports teams has team leaders and they play in a team, so they play better.
What kind of qualities should a team leader need?
Team leader need a lot of qualities, such as firstly they know about how to treat with others, and they know about how to deal with the critical situations. That type of qualities are necessary for team leaders.
Have you ever performed any of the duty as a team leader?
No, I do not perform team leader in my student age because I do not have interest in team leaders.
What kind of activities do you like to do in the team?
In a team, I want to do a lot of activities such as related to craft activities, painting activities, and some other competitions.
Okay, Pawan, so this is the end of section 3 and also the end of your speaking session. You have a lovely day. Thank you.
Thank you.